Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a nice, beautiful, cloudy day, and I'm going on a road trip with my friends towards Al Quwain to maybe try and catch some rain. So, see you there. One hard leg.
Go on into this. Rain chasing and getting rain is amazing, bro. It's not heavy, so you take it. Give me your.
So we have made it to this mosque in Al Quwain, and we are going to quickly get done with our Asr prayers and continue on to our journey. This is one of the cars in our convoy, and the second is my ASX. This is our humble ASX, and this is our Muiz. Yes, he will be supporting me in our journey, basically the co-pilot. So, yes. Yeah, that's. Parked up my ASX here. This is my friend, and we are going to attempt and rescue that guy stuck with his RAV4. We have successfully pulled out the RAV4, and we are going to attempt to take the ASX.
This route. We're speeding up. We're speeding up. And we made it. Right across the hardest part of the dune. And now it should get easier for us.
How good is that, mate?
Oh, someone's really happy.
So we have parked the A6 on the side, and we are going to proceed our journey in the Land Cruiser on top of the dune. If we see a path that the A6 can make, I'm going to come back and bring it all the way up. So I think even if I get stuck, I can just reverse it.
Yep, for sure.
Oh, this is too deep.
Oh no, man.
This you can't come through.
No, this you can. If you move fast enough.
There's no way the ASX is making up this.
No, you should give it up after we just like.
So we've made it on top of the dune, the Land Cruiser. Take a look at this magnificent view. Subhanallah.
So far, ram is stuck. All of us, 2 cars, and I pulled the ram out. You can see there's the yellow rope for the blue one, the FJ Cruiser, and there's a green one for our Land Cruiser. And now we will attempt to pull the rope to the maximum capacity so that it's super tight. And now we'll see. Hopefully the ram comes out. It's been stuck for the last 3 hours. Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
More, keep going.
Oh, You don't understand how long this ram was stuck for. Absolutely crazy.
Back to the ASX from the top of the dune. It was a total chaos. There were 2 cars stuck and we've pulled them all out, and now we are heading back towards the road. Okay, so we have exited the dune and we are back at the fuel station, filling up the air in the Land Cruiser. It was deflated and now we're putting it back to 32 psi. This tire in particular was a bit too low, so it was a bit concerning to drive it back on the road. But nonetheless, we are here now and we are going to fill it up. We are now at the beach. And this is my torch. Yeah, take the torch and extend it.
Extending it.
Towards the rocks, towards the rocks. Oh yes.
Look at that.
This is a great torch.
Yes. Oh my. Oh my, it's so large.
And the wide angle as well. We are done with the trip and we're headed home